Hey YouTube, in our last video we see how to log into our website or any website using Google Mail. Today we learn how to short link our URL using this tool. So first of all, just go to your YouTube, copy your video link like this and paste it here. After that, just remove the end list and all of this stuff. We just need this one and click on short URL. Then there it is a short URL for your video. Copy it and paste it somewhere else. Copy this link and paste it into your socials like this and post it. So this is enough for today. Let's talk to you another video.